you tell me under which section this video recording is prohibited. If you are doing some illegality, then today we are living in the era of transparency.
Take a videography. CCTVs are already.
But why? Why? If you are doing something which is not permitted by law, and if a citizen intends to videograph it.
Assuming this is the petition. Assuming, it's just one.
I don't want to assume. You just tell me which provision of law empowers you to stop someone from taking videography.
That is what I'm saying. That if this person, instead of this person, if it have been a terrorist, what would have happened? What would
don't put hypothetical questions to the court. Just answer the query of the court that which provision of law empowers you to stop someone from videograph.
Even my law.
You please take your seat. So you can do whatever you want to do.
Lordships, we have not
and
done
this helpless person will not do anything.
Lordships, if he was so helpless, Lordships, in my humble submission, if he was so helpless, he would not have tried to create evidence against the officer by going to...
That is your submission in defense of your PI.
Lordships,
tell me, therefore, one thing you have admitted that he was stopped from doing videography.
Yes.
Yes, under which provision of law or under which notification, under which circular from the government it stops you from videography?
Lordships, he was stopped from videography.
But why? If you are acting legally, and if you want to give reference about CCTV, submit a report that in entire state, how many CCTVs are functional as on date in police station. Submit that report. You can say so only in case if your 100% CCTVs are working. In fact, 80% CCTVs are not working.
Lordships,
and you are taking advantage of that.
Lordships, my only submission is...
Your only submission is that you don't want to take any action against the PI.
Otherwise, Lordships, with the inquiry by the Deputy SP would not have taken place, Lordships.
When it was initiated, you said...
Lordships, the applications, all of the applications are made. Lordships, I'll place that on.
Place on record everything along with inward, outward number, everything.
Yes,